guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Tanvi,
And my name is Agrima.
and for this video we are going to be reacting to
90s versus the 2000s fashion trends and everything, and we thought since it's a very trendy debate going on, why don't we react to it? So without any further ado, let's do this. So one of our friends sent us a PPT. We haven't watched it yet. So he compiled all of the 90s and 2000s trends, and now we're going to open the PPT.
I think there's going to be a little biasness because we're 2000 babies.
Maybe, we don't know.
Maybe, we don't know.
So let's just see what the PPT has in store, and let's
We'll
start.
react to it. It looks like
So-
it's a really well done PPT.
Yeah.
If
So
you're watching this, thank
you know. So rad or bad votes. So rad basically means good and bad is bad.
Oops.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the 90s.
And
So
we're gonna keep a count with the votes, and then we will
yeah,
see who actually
we'll keep a
wins.
count and we'll put the PPT for you.
Also, why don't you guys react with us?
Yeah, comment down below what you think, and
Is
if you
rad.
think we went wrong somewhere, if you think we liked something that's not that
Likeable.
might not be likable or something, you can definitely comment and do this with
Give
us.
your suggestions.
Yeah. So first with the 90s, bucket hats.
Bad.
So I mean, these people look good,
Yeah, but
but if I
No,
will
wait.
wear it, I will not
our
look good.
generation will look good, but it's just that I would not do this.
I
Yeah,
can.
For me, it's bad.
I
I've
can, but I
never-
don't know if it'll suit me. If the 90s, if you see it in Friends or something, it looks cool. They can handle it, but I don't think we will be able to. They're cool.
No, but
So if
as
you-
a trend, for me, it is bad. It's
Rad.
just Bad.
Leather jackets.
Rad for sure.
We love leather jackets.
I mean,
when
I
did
would-
they go out of fashion?
Yeah.
It's also a 20s thing. Isn't it?
I would do it.
I would do it for sure. Love. Rad.
Rad for sure.
Acid
Rad.
wash jeans.
I mean, it's a trend. Still, you see people doing bleaching. One
Yeah,
of their
bleaching,
jeans,
yeah,
and
yeah.
the other is the normal
That's
color.
true.
I just think it looks really off.
Yeah, I mean the whole thing bleached looks off, but I think I won't do it.
Yeah, so rad.
It's like a little too 90s. I wouldn't do it. Yeah, rad.
so
Sorry,
okay.
bad. Not
Sorry,
rad.
sorry,
Bad.
And obviously, we're telling this from our perspective.
Yeah, you can like it. Comment down below if you're a fan.
If you disagree with us or if you agree with us,
We'll boost you. You can wear them.
hype you up.
Polka dot shirts. No,
No. Bad.
I would not ever wear polka dot shirts. I have some weird unliking for
I
dislike for
I
polka
would
dot t-shirts.
I don't like the plain monotonous black and white polka dots.
Colourful.
I'm really happy to explore the colors, but I just think the trend is
Which
because it
one?
was one in 90s.
But these pictures, right? So they're very prominent polka dots. If it's a plain white t-shirt and that has little dots all over.
you don't call them polka dots.
Exactly.
The
So
polka
that's
dots are,
something else.
huge.
Yeah, that I won't do that.
Yeah, so bad.
Bad. Blazer with t-shirt.
Yeah, rad. I mean, guys pull it off. It looks good.
It looks good. Even today, I've seen a lot of people
Yeah,
wear it
same.
with jeans
Yeah.
and t-shirts.
Like in
and
weddings,
blazers.
when you don't want to look extra fancy, you just
Yeah.
wear a plain white
You
t-shirt.
just need the color coordination,
coding, right?
Yeah.
And
It
then, yeah,
looks
so rad.
Okay.
Okay, now
we're
it's
done.
the 20s, the 20th.
Our
like,
generation.
Velour tracksuits.
Okay.
I've seen this in a lot of movies and stuff, but I personally won't do it. I'm not a huge fan of tracksuits. You won't do it too.
I mean, see, I not the ones that are here in the picture, but I
That
can
is
do.
what exactly it is.
So I'm not a fan of low waist pajamas,
That is what
But,
exactly it is.
but tracksuits are fancy.
The tracksuits we wear are high-waisted crop top and jackets. This is not that. This is low-waisted.
Yeah, I mean not this. This I can't do. This is bad. Baggy jeans.
Rad for sure.
Baggy
For
jeans. I
sure.
don't have one, but I
mean,
need
our
one.
generation. I mean, what I've noticed is that we are so much into baggy shit, baggy sweatshirts.
Baggy, yeah, everything baggy.
Yeah.
We buy a size bigger than our size.
Baggy clothes in general are rad.
Rad.
For us.
Always. bedazzled everything. No,
Like with patterns. No.
like those tiny
glitter,
Swarovski
yeah,
things
no.
and stuff. No,
No.
bad.
No
I don't know, I think-
needed इसके लिए तो.
Yeah, I think
It's just too much.
too much.
Denim. Rad for sure. I mean, why would you disagree? I'm a fan. I'm a fan
And
of everything.
denim on denim jeans, denim jackets, everything.
Everything.
Everyone in like the 20s and the 2000s would
okay.
have like
Some people are gonna disagree that no, I'm not a denim fan, but deep down you know denim is like OG for us.
yeah. I mean, even the 90s people wear like a lot of
I've
denim.
seen, like denim jackets and
yeah,
like baggy
like,
jeans.
yes, that was a trend back then also. So like,
We're
why
just
disagree?
carrying it on.
Rad.
That for sure.
Dress over
over
jeans.
jeans.
No.
Bad.
That was a lot in
Miley Cyrus,
yeah,
Hannah
all of that
Hannah
Hannah Montana. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that's our
yes,
generation.
That's but like no, I
But
wouldn't.
I would like wear shorts over dress over shorts, if that makes
dress
sense.
over short. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
because
but like jeans
they're,
I won't.
like,
'Cause it looks
barely
like
visible.
jeans. It looks like it's like a short kurta with.
yeah, you're right. So we're Indians. If we wear a dress over a jeans, it'll look like a kurta over a
Yeah,
jeans.
yeah.
So why ruin the dress?
Yeah.
So like no,
We got it.
I know, right?
So bad.
That was fun.
Some of it-
I wanted
yeah, I liked
to
it.
go more.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. Yeah. So
That's it.
let's just count and we'll get back. We are
Our
shocked.
hypothesis was wrong. We thought
We
since
thought
we were
we-
in 20s,
Yeah.
so we would.
We would be biased or something. So what happened is that we got 2 for each, like,
Yeah, we like
90s
two.
and
Yeah.
2000s. But what the bucket had, that was a conflict. So mine was a rad. That is why it got 3, and this one only has 2. So 90s it is.
wins. If you're a 90s baby, please
We gotcha.
comment in the comment section and
It was so much fun. I wanted
Yeah,
to. Do you
go
want a
on.
part 2 or something?
like we can
Let us know.
compare trends from like 1970s to like 2010s.
Yeah, we can just give us like random years. We can, you know.
Yeah, I liked it.
I wanted it to go on and on.
Yeah.
But this was it for the video. No matter how much we wanted it to keep going.
So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video.
And
Thank you for watching. Tracksuits in general.
Rad.
She likes tracksuits, but she does not like night suits. If you like matching night suits, tell me in the comments. I'm a fan.